Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily use your power button to cut calls in your mobile device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open phone application on your device. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to settings. In the settings, go to calling account. Then go to answer and end calls and enable the option of press power button to end calls. Sometimes this option might not be available in calling account, so go back and go to accessibility function. In my mobile device, the option was available in calling account. So that's it. That is how easily you can end calls using power button in your mobile device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.